Hello, greeting everyone. I saw this YouTube by Peter Mckinnon and I learned something from him is he'll do a 2 minutes video on every Tuesday. I want to copy what he do. I read this book feel like artist. So let's see whether if I can finish this thing in 2 minutes. Why is it a Facebook Live for me and not YouTube? Or even just record on YouTube or record video and then just post on Facebook. The advantage of doing YouTube, right, is there's this thing called NG. You can just record. If you don't like it, you just clap, redo everything again, just cut and do and continue to do. Second one is you can script, you can just record it and can do transition everything. Next one is the advantage of YouTube video is you can use teleprompter. Teleprompter, one thing you can control your script. Next thing is once you recorded the video, you can do editing, lighting, contrast, even temperature, audio. You can do post-processing audio and even in the background music. Today I'm using the switcher, so it's actually you can hear the background music also. After you recorded, you edited, you can still make a decision whether you want to post it on YouTube, you want to post it onto the even Facebook, or if you don't like it, you can just delete it. So there's the advantage of recording video and then put into the YouTube channel. How about Facebook Live? Being live is streaming. There's no NG. If you don't like it, sorry, it's already broadcast. Second one is you can script everything. You can script into point form. Next one is whatever you do, you cannot edit. What is done is done. Next thing is audio. For live streaming, the important thing is audio. Once you have lousy audio, your audience will suffer because audio is very, very important. For me, I'm using this mic. Since it's so difficult, why I still want to do Facebook Live? Let me just share with you the reason why. First thing is I want to learn the skill. I want comfortable talking in front of camera. I want to be able to do public speaking. There's this saying, right? In this world, right, human has only two fears. Fear of death. Second fear is doing public speaking. Second reason that I want to do streaming is because I want to one to many. I want to be able to 1 to 10, 1 to 100, even 1 to 1,000 in future. I want to have this opportunity to do a one to many kind of platform. Next one is want to provide value, learn something from here. So that's a value I want to give. And the last point is dream. Since the start of COVID-19, I've been planning to do a live streaming. Last week I've shared something. Want to have an opportunity to do live streaming. When I first started a couple of months ago, I still don't feel comfortable. But then this is the point where I tell myself, okay, there's no going back. I want to continue to do streaming. My 2 minutes up. Next Tuesday, I will share something of what gear you need to start Facebook Live. If you like this kind of streaming, let me know. Do a comment, give me a like, and I'll see you next Tuesday on this 2 minutes Tuesday. Bye.